Welcome to Dubai Daily, your essential morning briefing on Dubai's real estate market. This podcast is brought to you by Parag Kundawal, founder and CEO of Consulta, a Dubai-based real estate consulting and global capital advisory firm. This is episode 15, and we're looking at the week ahead, from November 17th to the 23rd, 2025. Let's dive right into the property launches, because this week brings an exciting lineup of new projects across the city. We'll start with some accessible options in very popular communities. In Jumeirah Village Triangle, we have Elar1s Sky, launching with studios and 1 to 2 bedroom apartments. Over in Arjan, Samana Imperial Gardens is offering eco-friendly studios and 1 to 2 bedroom units, with a real focus on green spaces. Meydan City sees the launch of Emerge residences, with 1 to 3 bedroom apartments, while Dubai Creek Harbour welcomes Lyvia by Palace. These are branded residences, featuring both apartments and townhouses. And in Soba Central, The Tranquil is launching, offering 1 to 2 bedroom apartments. For those looking at prime waterfront, Emaar's Aurea is launching at Rashid Yachts and Marina with 1 to 3 bedroom units. Miras is bringing Noura to Medinat Jumeirah Living with apartments up to 4 bedrooms. And near Al Maktoum Airport, Emaar South's Gulf Hills is offering 1 to 3 bedroom apartments. Finally, a few more to watch. In DubaiLand, Celesto rises as a 17-story tower. Vincitore launches its wellness estate in Majan, focusing on wellness-oriented living. Downtown Jebel Ali sees Azizi Noura with premium residences. And Motor City welcomes Mirdad with units from studios to 3 bedrooms. Now, moving on to major events this week that could influence the market. The big one is, of course, the Dubai Airshow 2025. Running from November 17th to the 21st at Dubai World Central. It's a major aviation event that always brings significant business activity to the city. And for property investors specifically, Dubai real estate events are taking place internationally, in Calicut, India, and in Singapore on November 22nd and 23rd. This really demonstrates the continued powerful global interest in Dubai property. So, what's the broader market looking like as we move through Q4? Well, October delivered incredibly strong numbers. We saw 19,875 transactions, worth a staggering 59.4 billion dirhams. For the 10 months through October, cumulative transactions hit 177,044 deals, worth 553.74 billion dirhams. To put that in perspective, year to date, Dubai has recorded 559.4 billion dirhams in transactions. That's 152.3 billion US dollars. We have surpassed the all-time annual record with 2 full months still left to go. Truly remarkable. Let's break that down by property type. Apartments dominated, with over 16,000 deals worth 31 billion dirhams, showing a 3.4% year-on-year volume increase. Villas saw about 2,500 deals worth 15.5 billion, though volume declined by nearly 37% year-on-year, which really reflects the very limited supply of villa inventory. On the other hand, commercial properties surged, with 689 transactions, up over 61% year-on-year. And land sales also saw a healthy increase, with 399 plots sold, up almost 24%. The engine of this market continues to be off-plan properties. Off-plan represented 2/3 of transaction volume and a massive 83% of total sales value. The value of off-plan sales surged nearly 77%, indicating a strong trend towards higher value transactions in the new build sector. The mortgage market is also robust. October saw 4,880 mortgage transactions, up almost 13% year-on-year. The UAE benchmark rate stands at 4.15%, with 3-year fixed rates sitting between 3.9% and 4.75%. We're seeing mid-income buyers really driving this mortgage volume. And what about prices? The overall price index rose 0.9% in November and is up 17.5% year to date. Looking at price per square foot, downtown Dubai leads at over 3,300 dirhams. Dubai Marina is at nearly 2,200, JLT at 1,780, and JVC is hovering between 1,000 and 1,200. Luxury villas are now exceeding 2,000 dirhams per square foot, with those prime areas projected to grow another 10 to 12% in 2025. In terms of top-performing communities, Business Bay leads by transaction volume, followed by JVC, Dubai Marina, Downtown, and the Palm Jumeirah. By transaction value, industrial and land-heavy areas like Al-Yalayas 1 and Not Al Sheba First top the list. In the luxury segment, Palm Jumeirah continues to lead, while emerging hotspots to watch include Dubai Creek Harbour, Emaar South, and of course, Palm Jebel Ali. The international buyer pool remains incredibly diverse. Indian buyers lead with a 22% market share, followed by the British at 17%, Chinese at 14%, and significant investment from Saudi, Russian, Pakistani, German, and Canadian buyers, among many others. Now, a crucial point: the supply pipeline. For 2025, forecasts range from 37,000 to 44,000 new units. For 2026, that number could exceed 69,000 units. However, based on historical data and construction progress, we expect only about 62% of the 2025 units and 48% of the 2026 units to actually materialize on time. With Dubai's population projected to exceed 4 million by 2026, this new supply is needed. But in some specific segments, these delivery volumes may outpace demand growth, potentially leading to price corrections in the mid-market and some downward pressure on rents in oversupplied areas. Something to monitor closely. So, the Q4 outlook remains strong. We expect steady momentum driven by population growth, visa accessibility, and developers diversifying their offerings. Prime locations should see continued price appreciation, while budget communities may see smaller increases. And keep an eye on project near the new Metro Blue Line, which is unlocking value in those districts. So, the key investor takeaway for this week: you have diverse launch opportunities across all price points. The market fundamentals are strong with record-breaking transaction values. Off-plan continues to dominate with flexible payment plans, and the international buyer pool is robust. My advice? Focus on prime locations for appreciation and emerging areas for long-term growth potential. But monitor that supply pipeline carefully for your timing decisions. For expert advice tailored to your investment goals, you can contact Parag Kundalwal at Consulta. Just search for Parag Kundalwal on LinkedIn, visit the website at consultadxb.com, or email Parag at consultadxb.com. His number is +971 585 964631. That's all for today. Join us again tomorrow at 7 a.m. Dubai Daily is here for you every Monday to Friday.